this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the veteran crate here in Mini War on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you need to do is go ahead and make your way over to the shopkeeper in game. Just hit buy up in the top left. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Go ahead and open this up and essentially look for the veteran crate on here. Now you may notice when you scroll through here, no matter where you are, you're not going to see the veteran crate on this section. That's because you can only actually get this from the premium shop over here. So if you interact with this guy, you'll see that veteran crate in here. It's going to cost some Robux, but it's going to get you essentially a chance at getting some pretty good items like the nuclear plant, these better drills, missiles, and so much more. Now you get a guaranteed chance at getting a limited item after 25 rolls. However, if you get 5, it's going to cost you 429, 3 for 249, or of course 1 for 99. Robux. That's the only way to get it. You can also just hit the little shop section right here and see the exact same thing, but that's going to be the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.